Okay, so we have regular lashes, we have magnetic lashes, and now you're telling me that we have water-activated lashes? Like, why? Now, you know, I've tried a lot of products where when I first looked at them, I'm like, there's literally no reason to need these, like it's not gonna work, it's just a money grab, and then I end up liking them. So that might be what happens today trying out these Aqua lashes from Ardell Beauty. So let's just throw on some water-activated lashes. Okay, so these are from Ardell, like I said, patent pending, and this is in the style 340. These are Aqua lashes, no adhesive needed. All you do is dip and apply. So I think these were like $5 or $6. I got them on Amazon. And literally all you're supposed to do is have to dip them in water and then just place them on your lid. So it should be that easy. Hopefully it's that easy, and hopefully it actually works. So this is what they look like closer up. Pretty, pretty. They're kind of similar to my Makeup Geek graceful lashes. That's kind of what I was going for. But they definitely need trimmed a little bit, so I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so I trimmed the lashes, and even if it works, I feel like they're gonna be super uncomfortable. Like, you literally can't even bend. Look at that. There's like almost no give. Like normally, you know, you can get the band and you can break it in and like wobble it around before you fit it to your lash. No, no, no. It's literally like, it's hard. Like it's hard. Like it's like hard. So if it doesn't perfectly fit to your eye, oh well. But I have a little container of water right here. Why I use the top of a Tupperware container, I don't know. It's all I could find that I wanted to use. So that's what we're gonna use. Also this eye look, Anyway, so size-wise, they look like they're pretty good. But again, I just feel like it's gonna be hard to apply them, but like maybe once they get in the water, they'll like be flexible. So I'm just going to dip it into some water, like the whole lash, I guess, kinda. Like you kind of have to, but like you don't. Hold on. Okay, so there's water. Now they're saturated. Now I gotta dry the actual lash off. I already don't like that. Ooh, yeah, it gets sticky quickly. Okay, so let's throw this on and hope that it looks good. That's weird. I don't like that it's wet. Okay, so the lash is like on. It's pretty, right? Yeah, let's adjust it a little bit. What's hard is that it's like sticking, but the band is so thick and so hard that you like can't adjust it, and I mean, it's not really sticking. Like it just popped right off. Let's dip it in some more water and try it again. It's just hard because when you dip it in the water, the whole entire lash goes into the freaking water, and I don't want a wet lash, obviously. But it doesn't bend, so you can't like really dip it in the water. If this messes up my eyeshadow, which it already is, like the shimmer, it's ruining it, I'm gonna be very angry. I don't like this at all. It's uncomfortable, it's not working, it's hardly sticking. You can't get it super close to the lash line. You can barely adjust it because the band is so rigid and so hard that it doesn't bend to form to your lid. I'm taking it off. This is pissing me off, to be honest. It's gonna ruin my freaking eyeshadow that I spent time on that I really liked. And I hate when my makeup gets messed up because things are freaking stupid. Excuse me while I touch this up. So this video is clearly going to be very short because, like I said, it's just a lash video, obviously, for one. And for two, I think I was right when I said that most things are just a gimmick and unnecessary and a money grab. This is stupid. And thank God this was only like $6 because this is absolute junk. Like this is literally going into the trash. I'm not using them again. I tried twice. I changed the amount of water that I used. Literally the band, let me show you again just so you can see. The band is literally, like it's so stiff. Like look at that. Look, ready? I'm just gonna ruin it because it doesn't matter. Normally a band you can bend and it, you know, adjusts so that it fits your eye. Look at this. It literally just cracks in half. Literally freaking cracks in half. This is absolute junk. Absolute junk. So yeah, that's today's little trying out Aqua lashes, water activated lashes, and it's a huge no for me. This is absolutely a gimmick, and if you're one of those people who've tried these and maybe you got them to work, good for you. I didn't. I don't like them. I won't buy them again. I won't try them again, and I don't think you should waste your money. If you are wanting to try lashes that are not traditional lash glue lashes, go for magnetic lashes from like Glamnetic. But yeah, so this video angered me, and I didn't like this, and I won't be doing it again. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my frustration, and I'm annoyed, and now I'm just going to go film another video that's not gonna make me angry. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button to join my YouTube family. Turn on my video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you have the day you deserve. Also, don't buy these.